In this video, we'll be looking into foreground color and background color in Photoshop. You can see below the toolbar the two colors, the white as the foreground and the black as the background color. So when you click on one of them, you can see the color picker dialog box. So you can select a color from that. So the foreground color and the background color changes from the default. You can also select the color from the color swatches above the layers panel. And you can use the eyedropper tool as well. Now I will show you how this works. First I am selecting a brush with an appropriate size and just draw over the picture. So I am selecting a brush and selecting a size. You can also practice this using the file in the link or any photo you can practice. It's just basics of Photoshop. So when I draw, you can see the foreground color came over the image. To toggle between them, you can just click the X button in the keyboard. So you can now see when I am drawing, the color is yellow. This also works with the gradient tool. So the foreground color acts as the starting point and the background color acts as the finishing point. So now I'll just change the opacity of the layer so you can see how the effect has been applied. You see it looks good, right? An extra filter over the picture. To make it back to the default, you can click D or you can click the small icon near to the toolbar. So you can use black and white during your layer mask. So now I will show you how layer mask works. So I am going to make a layer mask. So I made it. Now I am going to paint with black as the foreground over the white layer mask. So you can see that the effect is removed from the image. So if you paint over white with white over the black area, you can see the effect is coming back. So this is the basis of foreground color and background color.